Hi everybody, this is David Martinez and we're going to be looking at our Topic Toolbox template. This tutorial is going to be focusing on embedding Flipgrid into your Topic Toolbox template. So let's go ahead and scroll down and see what that looks like. So here is an example of the Flipgrid that's embedded into our template, and this is for my AP Literature course. So as you can see, because it's embedded in, you can interact with it directly. So this is one of my assignments that I have here, my evaluating Ophelia, and you can kind of see the description of the assignment that's listed out here. And because it's embedded in, you can click directly on it to open it up, whether you're a student or whether you are the teacher within it. And you can see the different videos that are listed out there for my students, and we can even play and respond to them. So I could click it on the video will bring it up, and if I was a student and I wanted to respond, I can even respond directly within it. Those are the different options that allow us to be able to use Flipgrid when it's embedded in the Topic Toolbox template to make it a little bit more efficient. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. In order to embed your Flipgrid into your Topic Toolbox template, what you're going to need to do is then first and foremost access Flipgrid. So if you look to the left-hand side of the template, you're going to see digital tools for the unit, and there's going to be a link that is then associated with Flipgrid. So it's right here where my mouse is hovering. Go ahead and click on that link, and it's going to then open Flipgrid to a separate tab. From here, you're going to then need to sign in. So on the right-hand side at the top, you can see your educator login. Go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and click on then the appropriate login that will allow you to access it. From here, it'll take you to your main Flipgrid page, your grids, and it'll have them listed out for you. For myself, I have two right now. My AP Literature course, which I've begun with my Flipgrids, and my British Literature that's newly created. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to embed a Flipgrid for my AP Literature course. So if you go to the right-hand side of that grid, you have a button that says Share. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring up a new window for you here. It's already going to have listed Share with my class, so you want to make sure that's selected with the blue border. And then you have a couple different options to share it. My Flipgrid code for the class, and you can change these based on just clicking on the information right here, is then you can share via Flipgrid, you can share via QR code, or you can share with the learning community by embedding it directly in. Okay? For us in our template, we're going to embed it directly in. So we're going to look at this blue button right here. It says Copy Embedded Code when you hover your mouse over it, and you're just going to click on it once, and that will say Embedded Code Copied. Now it's copied to your clipboard. So what we're then going to need to do next is go back to our template. So I'm going to click on my MHS tab. I'm going to exit out of my preview mode. So I'm going to go back. And this will take me to the editing portion of my Topic Toolbox. So I'm going to scroll on down to where I see the embed mark, and that is labeled Flipgrid. And on the right-hand side, you see this little pencil that allows you to edit it, which is the same from all of these little documents. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see at the top, there's actually information and directions in regards to how to embed any sort of digital tool program into your template. The caption is going to be the title that is associated with it. In this case, I want Flipgrid, but let's say I wanted to be a little bit more specific and list it for my AP Literature course, and they know that it is the AP Literature Flipgrid. From there, then there's a section that says Embed Code, and what you're going to want to do is go ahead and copy what you have just copied onto your clipboard into this portion here. So a couple different ways you can do it. You can hold down Control and then hit the V to go ahead and copy it from there. You also can right-hand click and click in Paste. Both of those options are fine. Now I have a little bit more text that's different. I have a div align center and then a close mark for then that div. What that essentially means is it aligns it into the center of the page. So don't worry about that if you don't have that. You're then going to go ahead and hit Save, and you're pretty much done. If you want to preview what that looks like, go ahead and preview on then that bottom right-hand corner. It'll bring up your toolbox template. You'll scroll on down. It may not look directly like this yet because I'm already signed in, so let me sign out. So you may see a photo like this where it says Flipgrid, the name of your grid. and then login options. If you click Remember Me, it'll remember it and it's listed as part of it, and you won't have to continually sign back in. If not, just log in with Google, choose your account associated with Flipgrid, and from there, it'll open it back up. It's as easy as that. So that's our short Flipgrid tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.